So we're going to unbox this package from Untamed Artistry.
I know,
It's pretty heavy.
I want to know what's in here. Actually,
Yes.
it's so compact.
Yes.
It's a lot. Oh, nice. Oh my god, this box is
Ooh,
stickers.
the sticker sheet. So cute. I think she has two adhesive. One is the clear one, and then one is the black ink one. One is called Invisible. Yeah, and they're
so
both
cute.
5 ml.
Oh my god, these are so cute. I like the
Yeah.
back.
In every adhesive package, there's replacement nozzles and glue pins for unclogging.
It also comes with a silica pack that changes color. It turns pink when it stops absorbing moisture. Just pop it in the microwave to activate it again.
The adhesive comes with its own instruction card. This retention adhesive is black and has 1 second dry time.
The invisible adhesive is clear. It's perfect for clients who are sensitive to the carbon black ink.
Okay, and then there's
So
two different tapes.
Two tapes. This one is a white one, and this one's like a clear.
Yeah, we'll have to test it out later.
The tape is individually packaged and sealed, which is nice because it prevents dust from sticking to the edges. The silicone tape is stickier than the sensitive tape, which makes it perfect for lifting, pulling, and manipulating the eyelid. Also made to easily rip into smaller strips. No scissors needed.
The sensitive tape is very flexible and slightly on the flimsier side. It's sticky but not too sticky, which is perfect for taping the under eye.
Oh, there's 5 lash removers.
Cute stuff.
Yeah. It's actually
1
packaged
gram.
differently.
This lash remover is like a hybrid of gel and cream. It works in less than 5 minutes.
The cool thing about it is that it's in individual packets used for one time. Basically prevents cross-contamination and drying out.
Tile. And then the case for it.
Is it a slide?
This cute lash palette has lines to organize your lash strips. It has a cover to protect the lashes from dust. We had some trouble figuring out how to open it, but eventually we got it.
It's tweezers. Yeah. It's nice.
These tweezers are all hand tested. This is good because it makes sure that each one has a good sweet spot to actually pick up fans.
This one is a skinny version of a boot tweezer. The pickup is just as good as a boot because it's skinnier. It's less bulky when applying the fans to the natural lash.
This one is a similar shape to the Vitis 6A SA. It's slightly heavier, but also this one actually has a better closure.
This isolation tweezer is longer than what I'm used to, but the extended length is supposed to make it easier on the eyes.
This 90-degree tweezer is the slimmest pickup tweezer. Keep watching to the end if you want to see us test these tweezers out.
The lashes, and this is the first time M curls.
I love the packaging. The
Yeah.
color like really pops out, and I like
Yeah.
just, everything is very clear.
Yes, on both sides too.
Mixed trays have lengths 7 to 14 millimeter. There's also another label at the top of the tray for upright organization.
And there's 16 rows per tray.
These strips with foil back makes it easy to peel off your tile, leaving no residue.
They're made with Korean PBT and have a matte finish. Run a spoolie over the lashes to check for consistency.